Hey everyone! Welcome back to Kevin Tech. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the Saneen 4K digital camera. If you're looking for a high-quality camera for your vlogging, YouTube videos, or photography, stick around because this might be the perfect fit for you. From 4K resolution to a 6x4 sensor, and a ton of extras like a 32GB SD card and a lens hood, this camera promises a lot, but does it deliver? Let's find out. First, let's take a look at what you get in the box. The Saneen 4K digital camera comes with a 32GB SD card, a lens hood, a powerful 3000 mAh battery, and both front and rear cameras. Plus, it has a sleek, modern design that looks great in black. Setting up a new camera can sometimes be a hassle, but the Saneen 4K digital camera makes it easy. However, we'll need to test its performance to see if it truly meets the needs of vloggers and photographers. Let's start with video quality. The 4K resolution is crisp and clear, making it ideal for YouTube content. The 6x4 sensor also ensures high-quality photos, whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits. The Wi-Fi connectivity is a great bonus for quick uploads and sharing. The 3-inch touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, allowing for quick adjustments on the go. And with the included flash, you can capture great shots even in low light. But how does it compare to other cameras or even your smartphone? Let's take a look. As you can see, the Saneen camera offers superior image stabilization and better low-light performance compared to most smartphones. The Saneen 4K digital camera is a fantastic option for anyone looking to up their vlogging or photography game. With its high-resolution video, excellent photo quality, and user-friendly features, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gadget reviews. And if you're interested in the Saneen 4K digital camera, check out the link in the description below. See you in the next video.